wanna see it through, even if I can't be with you. Oh no, don't ever pray we go from 1 to 2.
Heard it from a friend, she was in our bed, should've known better. Said it was the truth, she came onto you, yeah, but you let her. Knocked me over.
Hi loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is a new bathroom cabinet that hubby fixed. The video you saw was in our own bathroom, and this is baby girl's bathroom. So I'll be taking you all along in cleaning and reorganizing this and other lots of activities that will be going on in this video. Please do well to watch to the end. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment.
10 feet forward. Never knew I could sleep alone good. I've never been better. You're probably out there somewhere missing me. Wish I had an ounce of sympathy. Yeah, I tell my friends that I wish you well, but the truth is, honey, that I hope it hurts like hell. Like hell. When you see me leaving here with someone else, well, the truth is, honey, that I hope it hurts like hell. Like hell. Remember when you tried putting up a fight? Bet you feel stupid. Try to make it.
So guys, I'm cleaning the second cabinet. The middle one, the mirror fell off. Thank God it didn't break, so we'll be fixing it tomorrow. So I'll be using that window lane to clean the mirrors, and I'll also be rearranging, or let's say arranging a few hair products and other stuff I know that it can go in the cabinet.
Remember when you tried putting up a fight? Bet you feel stupid. Tried to make a scene, didn't change a thing. Damn it, you blew it. And you're probably out there somewhere missing me. Wish I had an ounce of sympathy. Yeah, I tell my friends that I wish you well, but the truth is, honey, that I hope it hurts like hell. Like hell. When you see me leaving here with someone else, well, the truth is, honey, that I hope it hurts like hell. Like hell. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Hope it hurts like hell. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Hope it hurts like hell. I hate to hate someone, but you make it so easy. Make it so damn easy. Hate to say I won, but you're the one who needs me, and I'm the one who's leaving. Yeah, I tell my friends that I wish you well, but the truth is, honey, that I hope it hurts like hell. Like hell.
So loves, I want to put in my hair product, like my candle, my brushes, my DIY stuffs in the cabinet. Then after that, I also put our tissues, our toothbrush and our shampoos, the ones using like we've not started opening yet. I'll put them in the cabinet, and I'll just be arranging everything. So if you're new to my YouTube channel, hi, my name is Jessica Chonovek. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Nigeria, Abuja. I'm a mom of one. I'm married to a Slovak. If you're interested in my lifestyle, please do well to subscribe, like, share and
like hell. When you see me leaving here with someone else, well, the truth is, honey, that I hope it hurts like hell. Like hell.
I don't wanna talk
So guys, this is the next day. Hubby has fixed the middle cabinet, like the mirror in the middle is so dirty. So I'm going to reclean and reorganize. Yes, okay. So to reclean it, just use my windowing and reclean the mirrors. Then I will reorganize the stuffs inside.
In my waist on itty bitty. Got these niggas dizzy. Set to get on one knee. I make them feel risky. I don't wanna talk, don't hit me. Told you I've been busy. Two bad bitches with me. Bucking up your city. In my waist on itty bitty. Got these niggas dizzy. Set to get on one knee. I make them feel risky. I do what I want, know what it was when you signed up. Get right or get left. I got 3 hoes ready lined up. I take my apologies and sell or designer. You know where to find me. Till then, I don't wanna talk. Don't you hit me? Told you I've been busy. 2 bad bitches with me. Looking up your city. In my waist on itty bitty. Got these niggas dizzy. Set to get on one knee. I make them feel risky. I don't wanna talk. Don't hit me. Told you I've been busy. 2 bad bitches with me. Looking up your city. In my waist on itty bitty. Got these niggas dizzy. Set to get on one knee. I make them feel risky. I got money to make, niggas to take. Don't have time to play in your face. You went away, I just want it all. I don't care if it's from you or the backup. Whoever's moving faster. I don't wanna talk, don't you hit me. Told you I've been busy. 2 bad bitches with me. Looking up your city. In my waist on itty bitty. Got these niggas dizzy. Set to get on one knee. I make them feel risky. I don't wanna talk, don't hit me. Told you I've been busy. 2 bad bitches with me. Fucking up your city. In my waist on itty bitty. Got these niggas dizzy.
So Laos, here hubby is trying to put some corner shelves, okay, so we can put our spices and the tea section. You know, this is what it looks like after he was done. I cleaned it and rearranged that area. So we up place we have our spices, then down place I have our tea and coffee section. So I was just loving the vibe. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. How do you guys see this side of the kitchen? More updates of the kitchen is coming up. I'll be putting them one-on-one in the vlogs. Yeah, so thank you all so much for watching. Please keep on watching, and I'll see you guys the next.
I just wanna see it through, even if I can't be with you. Oh, no. Don't ever pray we go from 1 to 2. No. Life moves fast for me. Take it slow, girl, don't you rush. You ain't gotta think too much. Girl, never stray or keep it out of tune. So don't fall apart with me. We can be untitled just for now, babe. Got some things we need to figure out first. Oh, just take a bite, face down in the pillow. We'll keep it like.
So Laos, I'm on my way to meet my elder sister in the salon. She was making her nails and her hair. So after that, we'll meet our elder cousin that he just came back. He came to town. My sister, my elder sister from Italy, sent something for us through him. Yeah, so we'll just go pick it up. After that, we'll go to Wuse Market to go check out for some jewelry, some rings, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video to the end. She was just gisting me. I was just laughing.
This is my elder sister.
So where are we going here now?
Fifth Avenue.
No, no. You told me if I just come out from here, we'll get to this place.
Okay, just keep on driving. She will show you.
Keep on driving.
We'll keep it light, spaced away. Ain't nobody knows nobody like me. But you know that I give you more than that. At least your mind is so good, you know it's safe. You got that love that you can feel love. Feelings feeling real tight. We can be entitled just for now, babe. Got some things we need to figure out. Just take a bite, face down in the pillow. We'll keep it light, spaced away limbo. We can be entitled just for now, babe. Got some things we need to figure out first. Just take a bite, face
Hi, Bwwm. Hello. Good afternoon. What's up? Yeah, this is Amaka. No, it's twin sister.
How are you?
I'm fine, though.
So, Los, we are done with my cousin. Right now, we're in Wuse Market. We came to check out for some jewelry like rings, necklace, and the rest. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you watch the video to the end. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so that you notify whenever I upload a new video, and also like and share. Thank you all so much for all the love in my birthday video. Those that super chat me, those that sent me to wish me happy birthday, share me out. You guys are the best. Like, I don't take your love for granted. God bless you all. And we'll see you all in my next video. All right, signing out from here. Bye.